So ezidox was created from a technology point of view to help customers get documents to brokers and lenders quickly and efficiently.
Document collection is a nightmare for almost all companies in all industries around the world. One of the stumbling blocks in our industry is the obtaining of the financial documentation that we're required to assess a client as to whether we want to transact with them or not.
A number of brokers that I had the opportunity to meet and work with in the time I was in the industry often do every part of the process themselves, which if you value your hourly rate, your time is better spent dealing with customers.
What we have seen is this variable experience. Some people, some players do it well and some do it less well, and at the end of the day it's the customer that suffers from a poorer application experience.
In the past we've collected information both manually, a lot of paperwork that has been delivered by couriers and also via email. Both of those processes are not scalable for the future. It's just it's insecure and things get lost.
So it's really great when you see disrupting technologies or smaller businesses coming into the industry with a solution because there is a gap, and particularly, technology today is very much underpinned by being collaborative.
To be able to use technology to simplify those sorts of processes would make everyone's life a whole lot easier than it is today.
As soon as we saw ezidox, we knew that this was going to fit into our business. It's a very attractive proposition for companies like ours that are collecting information from clients, especially clients that have businesses, because there's a lot of detailed information that we need, and ezidox just makes it easy.
Any technology that can allow us to more efficiently obtain that documentation, the better. And ezidox does that for us. It specifically allows the client to log in through our website. So it's all branded the Invoice Market, which is fantastic, and upload the specific documents that we require them to do.
What we've tried to do is to make it an interactive process. So the broker or the collector of the documents can specify exactly what's required for any transaction. The customer or the sender of documents now knows exactly what they have to provide and is tracked through that process so that they know exactly where they're up to. If any documents are missing or if they've been rejected, the customer knows instantly and therefore can provide replacement documents much more easily. The faster this process occurs, the faster the loan gets approved, so everybody wins. The customer gets the loan approval, the broker gets the loan approval, and the lender gets the business.
What attracted us to ezidox was really the way that the system is built. It's surpassed all the other forms of document collection that we could see out there on the market. There really isn't anything out there that does the same thing as what ezidox does.
ezidox is one of those solutions that allows you to work with your customer in a collaborative fashion to collect and collate your information in support of the loan for the lender.
So we recognise that people want to run the business under their own branding. So we built ezidox with its own APIs, which means that you can integrate it into all your current systems and completely brand it as your own. So the customer will not know that they're dealing with anybody else.
The fact that we've integrated ezidox with our application process means we know exactly where the client is at, how far through the process they are. The automated emails that go out to the client to tell them that, look, you're still missing something, has really improved the conversion rate from prospect to actual client. Significantly improved it, I must say.
It's improved the flow of our business tenfold.
So lenders will be happier. I don't need a middle office team. It can go straight to my assessor. I make the decision very quick. The broker then is not being asked to go and chase the customer up again for more information. And of course, the most important stakeholder in the whole transaction, the customer, will get a better experience and be happier as a result.
ezidox delivers a great solution for customers, and I think I really like the mobile device usage, and very few brokers would have tech solutions under their business branding that provides a mobile device.
We've gone from sometimes taking a month to obtain all the documentation to getting the documents in a much more timely manner in several days.
It's reduced the time frame down, probably down from 90% of the time that used to be involved in gathering data and getting it into place, scanning and all that nonsense. It's probably 10% of of the time that it used to be.
50% of a broker's time, if they use the ezidox solution, being saved, absolutely sounds reasonable.
The feedback from customers is that it was a very easy process to use. It was very streamlined.
If every time brokers were able to provide the lenders exactly what they need, then it would be every application getting approved 100% of the time. That would be a major win for the banks.
When I was in my leadership role with the MFAA, it was really important for me to see how we could identify solutions for brokers that would enhance their business.
But ezidox is the only business that I've seen that really has a true end-to-end customer, intermediary, through to the end product manufacturer solution.
Yeah, it's been outstanding. ezidox has been a fantastic partner, and I'm glad we chose to work with them. And I'd give them a 5 out of 5 for the integration and the ongoing software that it's delivered to us.